Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the art class. See, today what are we going to learn? We are going to learn to draw animals. You all like to see animals in the zoo or in the wildlife sanctuary? Do we all love animals? They live in the jungle and they look so nice and cute also to us. Animals help in maintaining a balance of life on this earth. So, let's begin drawing these animals. Let's learn the national animal of India, which is the tiger. You all have seen a tiger in a zoo or on the TV in channels like National Geographic, Discovery. Fine. What does a tiger have on its body? Yes, it has stripes on its body. So let's begin. And stripes is a pattern. To draw a tiger, children, make a circle for the face. After making the circle for the face, draw 2 semicircles on top of his head for his ears. Now, once you're done with this, let's draw 2 slanting lines like this, and we are going to show a ferocious tiger, a tiger who's out to attack, looking for a prey. So we've made 2 slanting lines and then 2 semicircles underneath to make his eyes. What is the color of his eyes? Can anybody tell? Yes, it's green. Now, how to draw the nose? 2 lines outside, and the lower part of the nose is a triangle shape where he has the nostrils. 2 semicircles for the nostrils. Now, let's make a C and another C, and there we go. Whiskers, and this lower part is going to become his lower jaw. Does he look like a tiger right now? No. Why? Because the stripes are missing. So let me add some smaller stripes on his face. Now, let's draw 1 standing line down like this for the leg. For the body, students, for the body, start from here, almost like from where his cheeks are, and go back, turn around, and come down. Now, students, let's double the legs. Lion and tiger have very strong legs. They run with their legs, they catch their prey with their legs. So the legs are V in shape. And the tummy is made by making a tick mark. Now, before we complete the legs, let's make a J, which is a mirror image, or you can say a ulta J for the tail. Now, is the tail correct? Is this a tiger's tail? Right. This is not a tiger's tail. It's a lion's tail. A tiger's tail does not have hair at the back. So let's erase this. That's very good. So that tells me that you have seen a tiger. Just we are going to round this at the back. Now children, look carefully. How are we going to make his paws? Now his paws are like shoes. So you just make a simple one. First make like shoes. Now back leg is a standing line and join. Back leg is a standing line and another shoe shape. Now children, let's start making the paws. To make the paws, make 1 and 2 curves like this. 1 and 2, or you can write just 2 C's. 1 and 2. That become his paws. Now let's make the stripes on the tiger's body, so he will start looking like a tiger. Right now he's looking more like a cat. Students, you can see the stripes on the legs are in this manner, and on the body they are vertical and they are drawn horizontally on the legs. Now stripes on the tail. So our national animal, the tiger, is ready. Now I am going to be teaching you the drawing of an elephant. To draw an elephant, children, we will first write a small E. Do you know how to write a small E like this? Very good. Now, in this part of the E, we are going to make his eye, leaf shape and a semicircle. Now, let's make a big ear with a C. Students, now this part of the E is going to become what? Yes, you guessed it right. This is going to become his trunk. His trunk is broad on top and slowly it gets narrower. And at the end of his trunk, we'll just write a M or a number 3. This is like a finger for him with which he picks up his favorite food to eat. Now this part of the C I've extended and I've doubled it to make his tusk. And I'm going to erase the extra lines, children. Now, what are we going to do? Just like we did in the tiger, this is his mouth. We are going to make a straight line like this, and from the back also we are going to go back round and come down. Now double the legs. Now elephant's legs are not V shape because his body is very heavy, and so that his body can stand, his legs can take the pressure of his heavy body, his legs are straighter and they are rounded at the bottom. Then the tummy, legs which are rounded at the bottom with semicircle shaped nails in them. Back leg is again the same, standing line attached to the first leg, standing line attached to the back leg, and the tail. Now will the elephant's tail have hair at the back? Yes. So he will have tail hair. Very good. Now a bit of the back ear is going to show like this, children. Now shall we make some grass and all for them? So let's draw some tall jungle grass, zigzag. You all know how to make this. Can you see up and down, some big, some small. Now let's draw one line for the ground and the sky. Now what else can we add in the jungle where animals live? Yes, I can add some trees. So let me add one tree over here. You all know how to draw the trees. Big tree over there. Some more grass. Some more trees. What else can we add, children? Oh yes, we can add snakes on the tree. Yes, we can add fruits on the tree. We will add more grass. You know, animals live in a jungle where there's lots and lots of grass. And see, this time I've drawn a different shape of the grass. Now, alright, I'm just going to show that on this tree there is a snake wrapped himself. So how do you draw the snake, children? Just draw two lines, then another line. A snake is coiled over there, another line, double them. And where is his head? It's coming from going back behind and coming out from here. And he does his. Where is his tail now? A little tail over here. Can you see the snake? You can also add the snake over here on the ground. A slithery snake. Do you see how I drew this? We just have to draw like this, children. Then bring it down and let him take his body wherever you want to. So this slithery snake. And what does snake have on its body? Yes, scales. There's the pattern. Very scaly. He's a reptile, like crocodiles. So he has got a scaly body. Yeah, that's a snake. On his body, let's make circles. Wow. And if you want, you can add another tree, and the drawing of animals is done. Thank you.